So I think the first time round was, they were the only ones in the market, and and I have to say that it was a great process. I mean, the way it went about it. I remember I called the executive over. He came home. He explained the entire process. He left behind all these CDs on birth and stuff and how the entire process happens, and actually explaining that. And I think at that point itself, the way the entire process was, the way the person came over, the way the information flowed, the way the entire ease looked, I mean, I thought it was a decision where, while we said, it was not so much a decision of which brand to go with, because there was only LifeCell, but are we doing stem cell banking or not? And I have to say that at the time Ishaan was born, it was amazing, because so her water broke while incidentally we were watching the CD which was given by LifeCell, and I called them, and this is like in a matter of a few hours. I called the executive. Within an hour, the executive was there. The executive was with me while the birth was happening. So it was crazy. It was great. And yeah, it happened all there, and we actually signed it there and then. So it was amazing. I mean, in that context, the executive came immediately. And the second time round was certainly easier. There were a lot more players, but of course, you get like a comfort level with the brand you've already been with, and we'd had a great experience with LifeCell. And so the next time round, it was natural for us to go there. And of course, they are the undisputed leader. And I mean, from that context, it just made our minds so much easier. And you're always at calm, right? Especially want to know, right? You want to have the faith that you're investing into something like stem cell banking, and you want to go with someone is kind of reliable. And yes, they are the leaders, and that played a big role, certainly.